Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to trace a 2D image automatically. Tracing a 2D image is a common task in AutoCAD when you need to convert logos, sketches, floor plans, maps, drawings, or scanned images into editable CAD geometry. However, manually tracing every line can be extremely time-consuming, especially for complex images. One alternative is to first convert the image into a CAD-compatible format, such as DXF, which can make the tracing process much easier by providing vector-based data instead of a simple raster image. Image tracing is the process of converting an image into editable drawing geometry. Common reasons include converting sketches into CAD drawings, digitizing old plans, recreating logos, converting scanned maps, and creating editable technical drawings. Why manual tracing can be difficult? When an image is inserted directly into AutoCAD, it is usually a raster image made up of pixels. Because of this, lines cannot be edited directly, shapes are not recognized as CAD objects, every feature may need manual tracing. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open or locate the 2D image you want to work with. If the image is simply attached as a picture, AutoCAD treats it as an image rather than editable geometry. Why this makes tracing hard? The software cannot automatically recognize lines, arcs, polylines, and shapes from a standard raster image. Instead of tracing manually, open Convertio. Convertio is an online file conversion service that can convert various file types into different formats. Click Choose Files and select the 2D image from your computer. The image is now uploaded for conversion. Then choose DXF as the conversion format. DXF stands for Drawing Exchange Format. It is a vector-based CAD format designed to exchange drawing information between different CAD applications. Unlike ordinary images, DXF files can contain lines, curves, polylines, and vector geometry that AutoCAD can recognize and edit. Click Convert to begin the conversion process. The tool attempts to analyze the image and generate vector data that resembles the original image. The quality of the conversion depends heavily on image quality, resolution, contrast, and complexity of the drawing. Once the conversion finishes, download the newly created DXF file. Result: you now have a CAD-compatible file instead of only a raster image. Return to AutoCAD and open the downloaded DXF file. The image may now appear as vector-based geometry rather than a simple picture. Why this helps? Vector objects are much easier to edit, modify, trace, measure, and convert into final CAD drawings. Instead of tracing over a pixel image, you are working with geometry that AutoCAD can understand. This significantly reduces manual work. What you just accomplished: you converted a raster image into a CAD-friendly format, imported vector-based data into AutoCAD, reduced the amount of manual tracing required, created a foundation for easier editing and drafting. To summarize, tracing a 2D image automatically can be simplified by converting the image into a DXF file. After opening AutoCAD and identifying the image to be traced, the image is uploaded to Convertio, where DXF is selected as the output format. Once the conversion is complete, the DXF file is downloaded and opened in AutoCAD. Because DXF files contain vector-based information rather than simple image pixels, the resulting geometry is often much easier to edit, refine, and trace than the original image, although some cleanup and verification may still be required. And that's how to make a 2D image easier to trace in AutoCAD by converting it to DXF format first. The key idea is that vector-based drawings are much easier for CAD software to work with than raster images, which can save significant time compared to manually tracing every feature from scratch. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.